Riley the raindrop who was afraid to fall. High up in the sky, nestled in a big, fluffy white cloud, lived a little raindrop named Riley. Riley loved the view from the top, but there was one thing that made his tummy do flip-flops. Riley was afraid to fall. All the other raindrops were excited. His friend Pip was the bravest of them all. Pip stood at the very edge of the cloud, ready to go. "Don't worry, Riley," Pip cheered. "It's like going down a giant, watery slide." Pip took a deep breath and jumped. "Wheeee!" he shouted as he zoomed down toward the green world below. Riley peeked over the edge, watching Pip grow smaller and smaller. The ground looked so very far away. The cloud began to turn a dark, heavy gray. It was getting crowded, and it was time for the rain to begin. But Riley held on tight. He squeezed the cloud with his tiny arms. "I'm staying right here," he whispered. Suddenly, a gentle breeze named Gilly blew past. She had a face made of swirling mist and a kind smile. She gave Riley a soft, helpful nudge. "The world below is waiting for you, little one," Gilly whispered. Before he could say plop, Riley slipped off the cloud. He was falling. At first, he kept his eyes shut tight and held his breath. He felt the wind rushing past his ears, cold and fast. But then, Riley felt something strange. He didn't feel like he was falling. He felt like he was flying. He slowly opened one eye, then the other. The air was full of shimmering friends, all dancing their way down. As he fell, the sun poked its head through the clouds. A magnificent rainbow appeared, stretching across the sky. Riley drifted right through a stripe of bright yellow. "It's beautiful," he cried. Down, down, down he went until, softly, he landed on something cool and waxy. It was a big green leaf. Sitting right next to him was a friendly ladybug named Lulu. "Welcome to the garden," Lulu chirped. Riley looked around at the thirsty red flower beneath him. He slid down the leaf and landed right in the flower's center. The flower, named Flora, opened her petals wide and sighed happily. Riley smiled. Falling wasn't scary at all. It was the start of a wonderful adventure.